So we're going to look at these machines again. AG. LTR 78273. Programming Eco Cotton Statics Delicates Wool Silk Steam 20 minutes 3 kilogram Outdoor Divide Jeans Over button Steam Delicacy A here Temperature spin speed Steam Pro Science Pre-wash Rinse here. Oh, actually, we got the rinse staples. Tondre. From Whirlpool. Model. Where's the model? Where is it? This machine before I've seen this last year. I ever see 40 degrees mixed equal 40 16 cons 20 40 colors spin delicates. This is War 20, 160, Spikes 40, Rapid 30, Cons 40, 16, 95. Just go this way, it's that way. Staples. X here, Roof Service Cycle, D. Tondre, Rapid Wash, Rewash. Bench Saver. It's a difference. Spin speed 0, 400, 800, 1000, 1200. In here is the Whirlpool with different doors. Well, I didn't see it. Yeah, I ever seen this last year. Cons 95, 60, 40, jeans 40, 140. Civil X on only 40, 30, no 60, it's new. That is 40, 30. Max 40. Speed 15 minutes, 30 degrees, only one rinse. Then final spin train. 140, 20. Cons 20, Eco 40, 60, rinse, spin, drain. That's always same thing. The time play 12 hours 9, 6, 3 or 1. Wash. The service cycle, staples, rapid wash, it's and 7, spin speed 0, 400, 600, 800, 1000. And this, if this set, of course, I've seen this last year. Model is Noah. This is the price. That's the price. £1,000 off. This is £1,000. Turn and go. Cons and Cephatics 13, 45 minutes. Cephatics original one. Cons original. Eco 40, 60. Whoa, what's that? Mix 45 minutes, 40 degrees. Gym kit 20 degrees, or is a different program added to the machine. All delicate colours. Cones, emphatic spin dry, and spins well. Spin speed. Soil level. Assurance, pre-wash, start high. Easy ironing, temperature. Add 7. The 7 cycle staples. Another one, the same one. This time 1000 RPM and a different you'll hear door. Yeah, the model where again nowhere. 40-degree mixed, 40-60 eco, 20 cotton, 40 colours, 20 wool, spin, red to spin. Snow drying on this was a spin called. So now spin should be dry. Red to spin. That go 30, 160, 540, rapid 30. Corns 40, 60, 95. Staples. Surface cycle, top day. Rapid wash, pre-wash, and 7. This spin speed 1000, 400. No spin. The cooler's 15 degrees fresh. And we have the candy. Look at the door. Once again, nowhere. Oh, come on. Smart torch, the clean, the drum clean shirt here. You get 40, 60 codes of pre-wash, hand wash, Cephatics, rinse, drain, spin. Silky is 59 minutes. The check-in the close is 59 minutes. Point jet is 59 minutes cycle. This rapid here is 14:30 or 44 minutes. 20 degrees program is 59 minutes. Cones here is 59 minutes and quick cycle is 49 minutes. Start pause. Speed is 1400, 1000, 800, 400, no spin. Temperature 90, 60, 40, 30, 20. Or cold, you have to turn off the temperature. Rapid, slash, soil. Tongue options we've got. Ironing. The hygiene assurance. So here we have is the Electrolux. Right. Here I found the model finally. The W60N2462. So on the button is circuit off. AK 4060 cotton, Cephatics, delicates, rapid 14 minutes, rinse, spin dry, anti-age, baby silk. This it looks like here's like a hand wash sign here. Wool, oh, is here it's a hand wash showing again. It doesn't say hand wash, and it's this one as well. Sport, sorry. Outdoor. Demon. Or leave it. temperature 1960, 40, 30, 20 cold, 1200 800, 400 no spin, rinse hold, and all the sound. D. Pre-wash, actions, and D. So for now, it's plus. Time delay, then click a plus. Start pause as well. And whirlpool, another whirlpool. Same one. Lower model. Also put so open it. Again, 40 mixed. Eco 40, 60, 20 degrees cotton. Colours will spin delicates, Honjin, Cephatics, rapid, cotton swell, 40, 60, 95. Colours 15 degrees, fresh care. Start pause. The service cycle, tone line, rapid, pre-launch, and server. It's a severance speed suit 0 400 800 so 512. That's the same one as the one by the AG and the not a whirlpool. Now another candy, the different one. What on? Nowhere. 49 minutes. Quick. Cone 59 minutes. 59, 20 degrees. 14, 30, 44 minutes. So rapid. D. 159. 39 minutes of this one. This is silk 39 minutes. Join plus spin. Rinse. Cephatics. Hand wash. Jeans. Eco 40, 60. Deep cleaning. Smart Touch is the auto clean this one off. Oh, don't forget the temperature. 90, 60, 40, 30, 20. Or you could turn off to which is cold. Spin speed. Noise. Noise wash. KJ director. The rapid search option. Sorry. Well, here's options. Options. Pre-launch, auto close, or actions, or not sure. And Honjin. Start pause. Another AG. Same one. Same as the same one as this one. Model is AW60N 24262. 11:42 AM. So that's the same thing. Eco of cottons, statistics, delicates, rapid 14, rinse, spin drying, anti-energy, baby clothes, silk, so hand wash, wool, or hand wash, just say hand wash, as always, sport, outdoor, or demonstration, I should say. 90, 60, 40, 30, 20 cold, 200 out of 400 no spin, untold, and down the volume push actions and the softener pulse and the click here, turn to the and start pulse. And that's it with it. Bye!